ready to publish inventory to an auction event. Let's walk through the complete process, from preparing your inventory to publishing a live auction event. Now you have a single platform to publish your inventory to auction events in just a few simple steps. Let's see how you can do this in just a few steps. From the WHMSPro dashboard, click the Settings Quick Action to open the Settings page. Next, open the Connected Services tab. Here, connect your AuctionWorx account if it isn't already connected. Then click Sync Data to import the latest AuctionWorx required data into WHMSPro. Now, open the AuctionWorx website. Go to My Account and select Create Event. Enter the event title and all the required event information, then create the auction event. After creating the event, return to WHMSPro. If you have permission to access inventory, you can create a draft auction event. Click the Inventory Quick Action to open the inventory page. Here, you'll see all inventory items in list view. Only inventory items with an active status that have been assigned to a storage location can be published to an auction event. Items in draft or any other status cannot be published. From the inventory list, select the inventory items you want to publish. Click Publish Event. On the Publish Event page, select the AuctionWorx event you just created. Once an AuctionWorx event is selected, it is locked for that publishing session. The same event cannot be selected again to publish additional inventory items from WHMSPro. If you need to include more inventory items, click Add Item to add them to the current event. If you want to remove an item, simply click Remove Item. To unlock the event for future publishing sessions, click Discard All. This removes all inventory items from the event and unlocks it. Review or update the auction pricing for each inventory item as needed. When everything is ready, click Submit for review. Once the review is complete, only users with review permission can publish the inventory to AuctionWorx. The Reviewer Inventory Publish page will open. Review all event details carefully. If needed, update item prices or remove inventory items before publishing. Once the review is complete, click Publish. A confirmation window will appear displaying the event information. Verify all the details, then click Publish Event on AuctionWorx. The selected inventory items are now transferred to AuctionWorx as draft auction items. Next, return to the AuctionWorx website. Go to My Account and open Drafts. Locate the newly created event and click Manage Auction. Here, you'll see all the inventory items that were published from WHMSPro. Click Validate All Drafts to validate every auction item. After all items are successfully validated, click Publish Auction Event. Your auction event is now live, and all selected inventory items have been successfully published and are ready for bidding. That's the complete Publish Inventory to Auction event workflow. Thanks for watching.